about fractions today. So I have two little dinosaurs here, and dinosaurs are made of lots of parts, right? So lots of different bones in there. So we're going to be doing the second part of our lesson. We're going to be adding and subtracting all the different parts. And we're going to be talking about the numerator and the denominator. And just like Miss Tony and I were talking about, you guys are the numerator and we're the denominator. We're staying the same because we're going to be here when you guys go to middle school, right? But you guys are going to be changing, and then we're going to get new fourth and fifth graders, right? So this number can change. This number does not change unless we're trying to, in our case, because we're adding and subtracting the same denominator. So right now we're just going to work on what does a fraction look like. Do you know what a fraction is? Okay. Oh, it says tasty treats at the top. So the first one in A, it's a picture of a pizza. Is that a whole pizza or a part of a pizza? Is that a whole or a part of a pizza there?
Part.
This one right here. That's a part of a pizza? Does it look like a bite was taken out, or is it a whole pizza? It's a whole pizza, right? This is one whole pizza. You'd see it in a pizza box, right? So how many whole pizzas do we have in A? Yeah, we have 3 holes. So for that one, the letter A, we're gonna put 3. But then, oh no, look at this one. Melody, you got hungry, huh? So how many slices do you have left there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So that, is that gonna be the numerator or the denominator? Good job, because there's 5 left, and out of the whole pizza, that's gonna go in the denominator. So what
Oh
number's
my
gonna go
God.
Am I out of space? So you say 3 and 5 eighths.
Every 5 8.
Yeah.
Every 5.
Does anyone think that they are ready to do B by themselves?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. How many holes do we have?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, those are blueberries that you're counting. How many muffins? How many whole muffins?
2.
2 whole muffins. So let's make a box. Is the 2 gonna go here? In which spot is the 2 gonna go on? You wanna come fill it in?
Me? At the bottom?
So we have 2 whole muffins. Does it go here, here, or here? Good job. Yeah, it goes there. You know the next part too? Good job. Do you know how to say that?
Yeah.
What do you say?
2 muffins.
2 and
1.
got it. Say it.
2, 1 and 2.
What is this?
1 and 2.
1/2. So it's 2 1/2, right? Like on your shoe size, you guys have a half size. Is it like 12 1/2?
Can I do the next one?
You ready? Sure. Remember, we're trying to use the vocabulary words. Numerator and denominator. And we could even add a whole number. This is the whole number. Okay. There we go. So now, what kind of pie you want to pretend that is, Melody? What kind of pie do you want that to be? Apple? Pumpkin? You like apple pie? Okay. So how many holes do we have? you kind of have to go backwards to count how many slices are in the pie, right? So there's 2 slices. How did you get this 3? Oh, we're counting all the slices in here. Okay, let me rephrase that. We're counting all the slices in this pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. So yeah, that's gonna be your numerator or denominator. Good job. So the 5 is the denominator because they're saying we had 5 slices here, but now we only have 2 left, right? Good job. Aiden, can you do the next one? Okay. You're doing this one or this one? D or E? Okay. So how many whole sandwiches do we have there? 1 whole sandwich. Like this, right? So they mix, it's the whole number? Okay, and then what about on our fraction? What's gonna go on the top in the numerator spot?
1, 3,
Which one is it? 1 or 3?
1,
It's saying how many do we have here?
3,
Yeah.
3 ones.
And then the denominator, how many were there all together if you were to count that whole sandwich?
1, 4,
1, 2, 3, yeah. 4 parts. The one that you're talking about, that's the one that we ate already, right? I want to say it's a tuna sandwich because that's my favorite kind of sandwich. You like tuna? No? Think you can do this one? This is a hard one. You got it?
Can I go up there?
Sure. Okay. This one's tricky, but they're saying how many loaves of bread do we have? So how many? This is a whole loaf, okay? It's kind of sneaky there. How many whole loaves do we have? 2. Good job. So we have 2 whole loaves. So where are we gonna put the 2 if it's a whole? If it's a whole number, does it go? Where does it go?
Right up.
Good job. Yeah, it goes right there.
Yes.
And then now, what are we gonna do with these? Yeah.
It's green.
Is it gonna go here or here?
It's for you.
What is that called? You're right. Do you remember what this spot's called?
It's numerator.
Good job, the numerator. And then we're gonna count all these slices that make up the whole loaf of bread.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is there 8 slices in the loaf of bread, guys?
Yeah.
I can't see that good. Okay,
Yeah.
so then go ahead. Nice. So we say 3 read it 2 and 3 eighths.
Can I write that down?
Sure, you can go right now. Are we doing okay, Miss Tony? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you went a little bit ahead, huh? Good job. I don't know what that is. What do you guys think that is?
Chocolate.
Like a cake with no frosting? I don't know.
Brownies.
Brownies?
Jello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it looks like it can be Jello. And you went 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 is 12, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. Should we simplify or you think it'll make it too crazy this time? See if got it. Let's see. So what did you put? How many whole apples did you put? Are they green or red? They're red. Okay, so we have 4 red apples. I think, doesn't that look about half of it? There you go. So what is it? 1/2 look like? So the apple's cut in how many pieces if it's half? We haven't. There's my apple, and if it's cut in half, how many parts do we have? Those fractions are just parts. How many parts do we have? 1/2. 1, 2. And then you just put a 2 on the bottom. So now the 2 is in the, what's that place called? Good job. The denominator. Okay, we're gonna take a break for a little bit, okay? Because you guys get to go to recess.